everybody, Nate Lee here, and I'm going to show you how to wail on the fiddle. And what I mean by wail is to make a big, strong, powerful note like this one. And what you need to do is somewhat simple to learn how to do, but then it's going to take you a little while to master it. So it'll be a quick video to learn what to do and then go practice it, and don't get discouraged if it takes you a little while to master this. So here's how to wail. There's two parts, the left hand part and the right hand part. We'll start with the right hand. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose a note. In this case, I want to play the A note on the E string. That's the third finger on the E. And we need to get a lot of power out of the bow, and we want a nice long note. So that means we need to use the whole bow. So we're going to start up here from the air, and we're going to land right about there. And when you get there, it's important that you keep moving. If you stop and slow down there, then you're going to get usually some pretty either scratchy or shaky or just non-consistent notes. It can go really bad. I won't go into why, other than this part of the bow, the frog end of the bow, is very heavy and it's hard to control and make smooth. So we want to start from there, but we're going to land, and then as soon as you land, you're going to get to the tip of the bow as fast as possible. So it'll look like this. Land, move toward the tip of the bow. Now if you move slow like I'm doing right now, it sounds terrible. That's because of the weight of the bow. Now you can make lighter, prettier notes. But it's really, that's not what we're trying to do here. We're trying to make really strong, ferocious notes. We're trying to really make it wail. So that means hanging out here in this very heavy and kind of unfriendly part of the bow is not where you want to be. So instead, land here and then get away as fast as you can. And as you do that, you're going to have to gradually, starting about here, you're going to have to gradually start to add pressure to the stick. I don't know if I've made a video about this whole thing, but let me know if any of you would like to learn how to correctly add that pressure. Let me know and I'll make a video. Or if you know that I already made a video, let me know that too, and I'll link to it. So we're going to start here and then get away as fast as possible. While doing that with the left hand, we're going to slide into the note. Now, if that seems like too much at first, feel free to try this on open strings. So come in like this, going to land right around here, get away as fast as you can, and slide in with the left hand. And you got to do it with your mean face on, or else it's going to sound wimpy. Just like that. You can have an internal mean face. You can smile if you want. But you got to really play it like you mean it. And that's how to wail on the fiddle. All right. Well, if you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click that like button for the YouTube algorithm, and tell all your friends, and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. I post a video every week. And if you're watching on Facebook, make sure to follow this page, like this post, and share it with your friends. All right, everybody. Bye.